I hear you whisper, I hear you pull strings on my fingers, bending the rules. But there's a fire, quiet and small, burning inside me, ready to call. You feed my fear, you twist my doubt, whispering stories I can't live without. You push, I fall again, but I'm learning now, you just pretend. Silent strings, I feel them break one by one. I'm wide awake, no more shadows in my mind. I'm cutting loose what's not mine. Silent strings falling to the ground, your voice fades, no longer bound. I'm rising slow but rising sure, breaking the hold I once endured. Silent strings falling to the ground, your voice fades, no longer bound. You won't hold me, no, no. You won't hold me, no. Silent strings falling down. Silent strings falling down. You played my heart like a fragile toy, but I found strength you can't destroy. Every bruise a story, every scar a map, leading me forward, no looking back. Silent strings, I feel them break one by one. I'm wide awake, no more shadows in my mind. I'm cutting loose what's not mine. Silent strings falling to the ground, your voice fades, no longer bound. I'm rising slow but rising sure, breaking the hold I once endured. Silent strings falling to the ground, your voice fades, no longer bound. Soft and trembling, I stand alone, but in the silence I find my own. No more echoes, no more lies. I'm walking forward, open eyes. Silent strings falling down. Silent strings falling down. Silent strings falling to the ground.